Hello and welcome to today's video where we talk about the Cisco WebEx calling options. Local gateway calling. Let's first start by understanding what we mean by that. Through local gateway calling, the client can use the existing local gateway to dial outside. Now, let me elaborate that using an example. The phone or the Cisco device is registered to the WebEx Cloud. Now, to dial out, the client can use the local PSTN gateway to make those calls. And here, PSTN stands for Public Switched Telephone Network, also known as the traditional phone system, so that would mean using the legacy system to dial out. For a local gateway, when the phone gets registered to the cloud, it becomes a part of Cloud PBX, where PBX stands for Private Branch Exchange. And keep in mind that we are using the PSTN gateway via SBC. Since the device is registered on WebEx Cloud, you can also use WebEx calling plan for telephony, but that method ends up being more expensive for most users. So, for telephony or to make outbound calls, you have the option of either using WebEx calling or you can use the PSTN gateway, which is a wired connection that connects the premises to the hub. If cost is a factor to consider, then using the wired PSTN gateway turns out to be cheaper than WebEx calling for most clients. So what's a local gateway calling? It is nothing but Cloud PBX plus on-prem PSTN via SBC. There's another option called hybrid calling, which uses the devices registered to the cloud or cloud devices, along with on-premises PBX, which in this case would be the CUCM, where CUCM stands for Cisco Unified Communications Manager. So in a hybrid setup, the phone has dual registration. It is registered on WebEx Cloud and the same phone is registered to the local CUCM network. So the registered phones can communicate with each other within the local CUCM network using RTP packets. These are usually wired connections. The same phone can communicate with another phone on WebEx Cloud. And in that case, RTP packets will have to travel using the internet. I hope you understood the Cisco WebEx calling options today. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next.